Hello everyone, welcome to Small Model Car. So you see this new 5-pack set in front of you from Matchbox, and it's from the Matchbox the movie. So it has got some interesting castings as you can see. So let's open it up and have a quick look at them. Out of the box you can see these are really interesting castings, and I know these two are the most interesting one in my opinion. So I'm gonna give you a quick look of everything and focus on details on these two because I think this is new, and so is that one. So this is the first one from the 5-pack, and it's a Matchbox rescue helicopter. Pretty standard. It's got some nice blue paint to it. You can see there are some details. Don't see the interior because of the blacked out windows. I'm not sure if there is one. Let's move to the next one. This is the Land Rover 6x6, and I think this is the most exciting car from this 5-pack. It's also available in a single blister pack. I saw one recently. I was supposed to show the motorcycle, but it won't stand properly on this turntable, so we'll look at that at the end. So this one is the Chevy stock car. Again, it's a new casting and I think looks really good, so we'll deep dive into details once we see all the other castings. This is the Matchbox excavator. It actually has this arm which moves, you see, so it has got a moving arm, and I think this was released before, so you might have found one in the mainline blister pack too. This is the 2024 Tramp Scrambler, and I think it looks really good with all the details you can see here on the side. The scrambler, the gear lever, and all the other details. Swing arm, stands, shock absorbers, front and back, spoke wheels. Front, well, obviously has some details. It's not painted, still looks good. On the other side, you can see their twin exhaust and more details. I think it's a good looking motorcycle for a mainline. Only thing it would have made it better if there was like a stand to keep it right, but it just falls down. These two are really interesting and they are new casting, so that's why I'm focusing on these two from this 5-pack. And I don't know if I follow the channel, I'm a huge fan of Land Rovers and I really like this one. So I'm gonna keep the best for the last and start with the stock car. So this Chevy stock car, if you don't know, it's one kind of races which happens in United States of America. So it's based on different manufacturers, so they use different cars based on it. You have racing cars, but this one looks really good. It's finished in matte black. Obviously it's a mainline car but has got some good details. I like the paint, like the Ventec livery going on it. Front you have those painted headlamps, and actual stock cars also have painted headlamps most of the time. They don't have like real headlamps. Apart from that, on the driver's side, looks good. Wheels look alright here. You got lots of sponsors, and the matte black paint looks good. You can also see the fuel filler here. Obviously, this big spoiler on the trunk. If I move to the back, again painted, and those are actually painted on the rear car too. The tail lamps, more sponsors, and you can see from here the roll cage inside. So there is a roll cage right there. These flaps on the top, you see, those open up when you brake. That's what I've seen in the videos. I haven't seen one in like person. Interior also has some details. You can see roll cage on the side too. There's no glass in the windows, and the interior is finished in black. You can see there's only one seat on the driver's side. The other side is just floor right there. The base doesn't have any details. It's just a flat base, which is common in newer Hot Wheels and Matchbox car these days. I miss these. The latches on the hood. Looks good. Now let's move to the Land Rover. So this 6x6, well, it looks very different from anything you see from Land Rover. Obviously it's a custom made car, and if you have seen the trailer of the movie, you might have seen this in, because it's featured there. A lot of good details. Let's start from the front. For a mainline, it looks really good. You got painted headlamp, you got turn indicators, running lights, Land Rover badge in there. You got this exoskeleton going all over the truck. Front bumper again mimics metal bumper on Land Rover, and you also got the skid plate at the bottom. On the driver's side, obviously it's a 6-wheeler, so you got 6 wheels, flare wheel arches, blind black. The paint is like desert theme paint, I would say. Exposed hinges, mirrors, door handles. A lot of good details. This exoskeleton continues right back there. Looks really good, I would say. On the back, again, nice details, painted tail lamps, and I don't know if it's fuel tanks or what. I think it will be more, easy to know once the movie comes out what is there, but I don't know right now. But there's something in the bed. It's got a longer bed too. Single cab, regular cab. Passenger side looks almost identical. This is how it looks from the top, and this is how the base looks. And there are some details here. You can see like a little bit of. It looks good. Reminds me of the 6x6 Matchbox did with the Mark G63, but then that has like 2 set of seats rather than this regular cab here. Interior is finished in black. It has got some minimal details like steering wheel seats. So, how do you like this set? Are you going to get one, or have you already got one? Let me know. And these are available as singles too, so you might be able to find just like in your stores too. Well, those are my thoughts. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.